இப்போ எல்லாருக்கும் ஜிம் போக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது யாரையாவது பார்த்து இவரை மாதிரி ஒரு பாடி கொண்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு கண்டிப்பாக தோணிருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபிட்னஸ் இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் தான் எனக்கு வித்யுத் ஜம்வால். ஒரு 4 டேஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி அவரோட லைவ்ல பேசுறதுக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சது. இந்த வீடியோவில் அது எப்படி நடந்தது, அவர்கிட்ட நான் என்னென்ன கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டேன், அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவர் என்னை பற்றி என்ன சொன்னார் அப்படின்றதையும் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ சிட் பேக், ரிலாக்ஸ் அண்ட் என்ஜாய். ஸோ இது எப்படி நடந்ததுன்னா, ஒரு 1 வீக் முன்னாடி டெல்லியிலேருந்து என்னோட மேனேஜர் ஒருத்தவங்க பாலிவுட் ஆக்டர் வித்யுத் ஜம்வாலோட ஒரு லைவ் போகிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி வந்திருக்கு. அண்ட் அதுக்கு டாப் ஃபிட்னஸ் கிரியேட்டர்ஸ்லாம் அவங்க தேடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் அந்த லிஸ்ட்டில் நீங்களும் செலக்ட் ஆயிருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு என்கிட்ட சொன்னாங்க. இதை நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேட்கும்போது நம்பவே இல்லை, பிகாஸ் அவங்க இன்னும் கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆகலை அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. சரி ஓகே கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆனால் சொல்லுங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நானும் விட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் 20th அன்னைக்கு ஒரு 12 மணிக்கு லைவ் கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடுச்சு. இன்னும் 4 மணி நேரத்தில் நீங்கள் லைவ் போகிறீங்க, ரெடி ஆகிடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. கேட்ட உடனே எனக்கு செம்ம ஹாப்பி, பிகாஸ் என்னோட ஸ்ட்ரகிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் அ சோலோ கிரியேட்டர் அப்படின்ற வீடியோ நீங்கள் பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் நான் எங்கே எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன் அண்ட் அங்கேருந்து எது வரைக்கும் வந்திருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு. அந்த லெவலில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இந்தியாவிலே ஒரு டாப் ஃபிட்னஸ் ஐகானோட லைவ் போகிற அளவுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன்னா அது என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு பெரிய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் தான். நான் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப ஆர்வமாக இருந்ததுனால இன்டர்வியூ ஃபுல்லாக தான் இருந்தேன். அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இங்கிலீஷில் வேறு பேசணும்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. சும்மாவே நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் கொஞ்சம் வீக் தான், பட் ஸ்டில் ஓரளவுக்கு அப்படி இப்படி பேசி புரியிற மாதிரி பேசிட்டேன். சில இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம் நான் அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டேன். அதை விட ஷாக்கிங்காக என்ன இருந்ததுன்னா, அவரும் என்கிட்ட சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம் கேட்டார். அது என்ன அப்படின்றத இப்போ பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள்.
First, I want to just tell you that tell the people who are here for you. You're 20 years old, and what do you do?
I'm a fitness coach, and I make content on YouTube. So, and I'm doing my college as well.
That is not enough. I've been told you back everything you do with the help of science. Uske bare mein batao. Tell us, because it's interesting. What is it?
So basically, the interest started when I was like 16, 17 years old. Because I hated my school science and stuff. When I was studying for exams, and it was very annoying for me. But then when I switched to fitness and I started learning about fitness, the thing is, once you start applying it to your diet and your workout, and once you start seeing results, it just gets 10 times more exciting too, because you can actually see the results.
Give an example.
Basically, the science is that if you eat 500 calories above your maintenance calories, if for like 1 week, you will gain 0.5 kgs, right? First of all, I didn't believe that, because okay, what logic is this? Because I don't understand.
No, explain. Slow down. What does it mean? In simple words.
So there is a particular amount of calories that a person can take to maintain his body weight. So if my body weight is 70 kgs, there is a certain amount of calories that I should eat every single day to maintain that 70 kgs. If you eat like 500 calories more than like your maintenance calories, and if you do it for 7 days, so that comes to around 3,500 calories more than your maintenance, right? 500. So 7 days it comes to around 3,500. And according to science, 3,500 calories is equal to 0.5 kgs. So when I did that, I actually gained 0.5 kgs. So that was like, okay, this is fun. Okay,
nice.
So once I applied different concepts and I got results to everything, and now I'm just teaching it to some of my younger audience and to other people, and I'm coaching stuff. So basically that is the concept.
So this boy did not enjoy studying in school, and he's studying more difficult things on his body. Well done, yeah. Everybody who is watching this, you have to see this young boy. He's 20 and he knows what he talks about. I enjoyed watching him, and you should go on his Insta handle and watch him. He's intelligent. He has some answers for you. Give me a tip for all the people who just want to diet and lose some weight very fast.
Very fast. You just track what you're eating for like 7 days, and then the next week you just eat a little bit less. So that is the very fast tip. And you can also do your progressive activity. So you can just walk for like 1 hour a day for the first week, and you just track your weight. And if you don't lose any weight, you can just walk for 1 hour, 20 minutes in the next week, and then you'll start losing weight. So this is the concept.
So you're saying it's that simple? Like if I eat a certain amount of food for 1 week, मतलब मैं 1 हफ्ते तक एक typical particular खाना खा रहा हूँ,
and you maintain your weight, considering that is a point.
And you maintain your weight for 1 week, just reduce the intake of what you are eating, right?
Yeah.
Well done, boy. It's that simple.
It is that simple, because when you're eating less than that, you become a deficit, and it's the negative nitrogen balance, and you start losing weight.
Acha, if I'm very thin and I haven't been able to gain weight, what does one do?
You are not very thin, actually. You are like...
No, I'm talking about anybody who's watching you. Okay, if somebody's really thin and they want to gain weight.
Yeah, I just want to suggest them my shake, which I suggest to everybody, basically. It's just you take in some milk, peanut butter, oats, and then some whey protein. Hopefully the muscle-based whey protein, and you just shake it up, and if you drink it, it's around 800 calories. If you just add that on top of what you're already eating, then that's a surplus thing, and you will start gaining weight. So this is a thing.
So this is a tip from a genius. Try it if you want to gain weight or you want to lose weight. Are you enjoying the Muscle Blaze supplements?
Yeah, I do. That is what I've been using for a very long time. And I also want to know, what supplements are you using? Like, what do you use? Because people want to know.
The bar is there. You know, the latest thing I'm enjoying, I'm not endorsing it because I just got, this is a sparkling protein. It's got 10 grams of protein. Like normally people have Diet Coke and all that. And not that it's good. It is harmful, but people are addicted to it. Sometimes they like to drink it. It's quite cool.
Okay.
I just got a crate of this, and I thought this will be good at the bar. Nobody drinks water anymore. It's quite cool. I'm enjoying this here. Have you tried it?
No, I haven't tried it yet, but I'll try it soon because
we will send this to you. You should try it. It has no sugar, no artificial flavoring. It's better than all these. It's good. You should try it. How many questions do you have for me? Give me a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 6 questions.
Ask me the sixth question.
What is the one piece of advice that you would like to give for someone who's starting their fitness journey?
Be fearless.
Wow.
Just be fearless. Don't listen to people. They will put a lot of fears in your head. They will tell you, oh, you might break a bone, you might tear a tendon. They're just saying it. Try it on your own. Your body will tell you you will not break it. So I think 100% it is called fearlessness. Like, it's raining, don't go to the gym. All this is a lie. You can do any time what you want to do. You know, man. You know.
Yeah.
Fifth question.
Okay. Fifth question.
I like this question, by the way.
Yeah. How many hours do you spend per day working out?
Yeah, see, I'm an exception in this case because I do train like an Olympian. Recently, I was traveling somewhere and I was training with these Olympic team.
Okay.
In gymnastics, and my God, they also train like 7-8 hours. I train with some MMA guys.
You train 7 to 8 hours per day. Wow.
So I've been doing this for a very long time. Like when I was unemployed, which was a very long part of my life and a large part of my life, I was training, man. And so I think I developed my stamina. And a lot of people used to tell me, sir, it might harm your body. People who've not trained like that, it doesn't harm your body. It doesn't. Yeah. You can just push the limit and the limit will go higher. You again push the limit, it will go higher. There's no limit.
That's well said, actually. So, okay, the fourth question. You worked in Tamil cinema. So, which actor do you think is the fittest in Tamil cinema, and what's your favorite Tamil movie?
See, I can tell you about the people who I've worked with because I've experienced them firsthand.
Okay.
Yeah. To start with, the man who's really crazy is Ajit. Okay. He is crazy. He is crazy. Like, he pushes the level. I've seen him injured with a broken bone, broken back. First of all, he will never complain.
He's got like 23 surgeries. Yeah.
My God, he's a champ dude. He can ride a bike like nobody does, like real hero type, not like just for movies. He's amazing. I love the fact that he genuinely is fearless. He's got pain, but he will still come and do the scene. Yeah, with Vijay, he's amazing. Like, you know, Vijay is different dude. He can dance, he can move, and great memory. So they all are fit in very different ways. You can't just be a action hero, or you just can't do action if you're just regular. You have to work very hard. Like Surya is amazing, man. Like I've done action sequences with him as a partner also. He has some stamina. These guys are fit. One thing is for sure. If you're on cinema screen and people love you, you must have really worked hard. So these guys are really hardworking. Okay. Third question.
And the thing is, the second part of that question, what's your favorite Tamil movie?
You know, one of my favorite movies is this movie where Kamal Hassan is there, and it's called Hindustani.
Yeah, it's Shankar's film, right? Yeah.
Shankar's film. The first part, my God, I've watched it, I think, easily about more than like a lot of times, like 300 times, man. I love that whole Kalari part, the science. Easily, because the way they have spoken about Marma, harming just by touch, they've taken it to a great level. So I love it. Now you tell me, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Are they proud of you?
Yeah, I have one sister, and I hope so. She's proud of me, but she doesn't tell it to me very openly. But that's the thing.
Sisters will not say; they will feel it.
Yeah.
And parents?
And parents are extremely proud. So, and when I told them that I'm going live with you, they were extremely proud. I'm sure they will be watching it right now.
So we are running short on time, but please pay my regards to your.
Yeah, just 2 more questions. Okay, who's your fitness?
No, 2 more. You're my fitness inspiration from right now. I watched your video, and you're 20, and you're inspiring a lot of people. And well done, boy. I'm waiting to watch you in the next 3 years because I want to see how much have you evolved. This is a great place to be. This is where you should be. So well done, boy. But I would love you to play my regards to your parents, and please give my love to your sister and tell her she should be very proud of the brother. God bless you, boy. I love you, man.
Thank you so much.
Do well. Bye.
Same to you. All the best. ஸோ இதுதான் இன்டர்வியூவில் ஹைலைட்டாக நடந்த ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள். அண்ட் இன்னும் சில கொஷின்ஸ்லாம் கூட நான் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தேன். பட் அதை என்னால் கேட்க முடியல பிகாஸ் அவர் இன்னும் சில கிரியேட்டர்ஸோட பேச வேண்டியதாக இருந்தது. பட் ஸ்டில் பேசின வரைக்கும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம்லி ஹாப்பி. இந்த வீடியோக்கு ஒரு 12K லைக்ஸ் எனக்காக இல்லைனாலும் வித்யுத் ஜம்வாலுக்காக லைக் அடித்து நவுத்தி கொடுங்க. ஸோ தட் இந்த வீடியோ இன்னும் நிறைய பேருக்கு போய் ரீச் ஆகும். பீஸ் அவுட்.